Hey Nailiaddicts, welcome to my channel and welcome back if you're new. I know I have not been on YouTube in a while. It's been over a month. I haven't been posting any content or keeping up with any of my social media. And honestly, I took a hiatus because the algorithm just was not algorithming. I didn't feel like all the work I was putting into my videos was really paying off, and I got very discouraged, and so I decided to take a week off, and then that week turned into two, three, four, five, six, you get it. So I was thinking maybe I'm focusing too much on views and getting up my subscribers and content creating. And really, I like making videos just because I like doing nails. And if people watch the videos, great. But if nobody watches them, it's still okay. And I needed to get okay with that, knowing that my views were not going to be as many as other people's, and stop comparing myself to other content creators. I enjoy doing nails, and I like to record it so that other people who are beginners like me can watch my journey and maybe start their own journey. I am very grateful to all my subscribers and the views that I get. I am not downplaying that at all, and I'm not saying that what my subscribers do for me now is not enough, because it is. It does motivate me. It gives me the courage that I need to try new things, especially when y'all leave comments and likes. And I really appreciate that. However, I know I'm not the only one that was feeling this way, because I've seen on other content creators, community posts, that they were in the same predicament that I was in. So I didn't feel so alone in it. Like I said, I'm grateful for every one of my subscribers, and I hope that you all continue to enjoy my content, because, like I said, I like creating it. Some of you may know that I do have an Etsy shop where I sell custom dip powders and custom made press on nails. So during my hiatus, I did somewhat continue to make press on nails. I did a couple for fall and a couple for Halloween. I started to get like very overwhelmed with all the ideas, and if I get too overwhelmed with it, I won't do anything at all. So I just made some nails here and there. And another thing is that when I was trying to make some nails, all those ideas that I had would go out the window, and I would go with something totally different. So that was also another reason why I was like, okay, I can't even get my thoughts together to stay focused on doing nails for my shop, which, as a small business person, you need to be on top of that. You need to be putting out new products, upgrading the products that you already have. And I just was not doing that. So I was get all these ideas, and I would jot them down, and then I would put them on the nails, and they just was not looking like how I drew them out or how I imagined them to be in my mind. And the execution of the nails was terrible. Like, I was making so many like color matching mistakes. Lines was coming out crooked. Just it just was not looking how it looked on my little drawing. And I'm like, now I've been at this for a couple of years. My technique should be improving, not like getting not worse, but it looked like some stuff that I was doing when I first started, like when I didn't know how to apply the correct amount of pressure on my brush or color matching. I'm thinking these two colors are going to look good together, and I get them on a nail and they look terrible. So I was like, that might be because my brain is so crowded with ideas and wanting to try this and try that. I need to stop and just separate and work on one thing at a time. And maybe that'll help me, get back my mojo and start my creative juices to flowing again. One thing I really wish I would have done is reached out to some of my nail sisters and nail friends in this community. Like I said, a few of them said they were going through the same thing. And for me, it's hard for me to reach out to other people because I don't want to feel like a burden, especially when they're experiencing the same thing as me. So I'm shy and I just kind of sit off in the background and I just try to deal with it myself. Hopefully, I will start, coming out of my shell and connecting more with people that are in this community and enjoying my journey again and getting back to doing what I love. I know this video was, usually I just be describing what I'm doing, but I just felt like I needed to, share some of this stuff with you since I had been gone for over a month. I hope y'all don't mind that. But thank you so much for watching this video this far. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.